In this lesson, we will take a look at another real-life application of destructuring. Setting values for function arguments. We have a function here. It needs two arguments, brand and model. They both have a default value. If we invoke the function without passing any value to it, the two default values will be used. If we do provide argument values, we must make sure the two values are placed in the right order. Brand must be the first value, and model the second. Setting two values is not as convenient as setting one. In real-life situations, values we need are usually retrieved from database or submitted by users. As a result, they are often stored in an object alongside with many other values. For example, apart from brand and model, we also have engine and gearbox, which are not needed by the car function. Using object destructuring, we can directly pass the entire object into the car function. We no longer need to worry about retrieving the right values and placing them in the right order. If we pass an empty object to the car function, the default brand and model value will be used. What if we pass nothing to the car function? We can see we got an error message. To solve this problem, we need to assign an empty object to the function arguments. This is called destructuring function arguments. Now, if we pass nothing to the car function, the default brand and model value will be output. Function argument destructuring also works with array. We make a copy of the car function and switch the object into an array. Let's test the program. We can see the default argument values still work. Next, we pass the info array to the car function. The first two elements of the info array must be brand and model. Otherwise, the car function cannot work normally. If we only provide brand value, the model value will be the default value. If we only provide model value, we need to keep the comma.